commercial free in progress. 103.5 KTU. Some Bieber and Nicki Minaj coming up after David Guetta and Usher right here. And we're about 10 minutes away from another keyword that could score you a grand, maybe 50 G's. KTU.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you, without you.
It's another commercial-free hour
on 103.5 KTU,
the beat of New York.
Show you off. Tonight I wanna show you off. What you got? A billion could've never bought. We gonna party like it's 30-12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finest things in life. So you take it now. Oh.